Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can mark your players, how to add your favorite players into market watch list on EA Sport FC Mobile. I made this video is for beginner that new into this game, still confused about new feature. So previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So let's get started by tapping the market. And as you can see, try to search your favorite or your target player. For example, I want to get this Harry Kane. Tap and just tap this watch player, and Harry Kane will be on my watch list like this. There are two Harry Kane that I want. So if you already get the coin, you can purchase this Harry Kane, and you can also try to mark the player on your watch list up to 50 players. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And thanks button below. Enjoy the game.